It was important to me to do the internship at BCG because I really wanted to have the opportunity to test the theory that I would enjoy management consulting and correct course if that wasn't the case. And it felt kind of like a safe way to have the opportunity to try management consulting and have the opportunity to, again, re-recruit basically in second year if that wasn't the case. I ended up loving it and really enjoyed it. I think it was a great opportunity to come in, to meet people, to get the experience, and then almost prepare myself for what it would be like when I come back full-time. It gave me the opportunity to apply the learnings that we had on the MBA in practice. I think it's one thing learning something, and even with the case study model, it's still not brought to life in a way that it is at BCG, having the real life experience. And it's one thing solving a problem and just cracking the problem. The other thing is really about working with stakeholders, figuring out a way to align it and to push things forward. And that is something I don't think you can really get just from studying business without actually putting yourself in the experience. And I think that's the unique advantage it gave me. Doing the BCG internship and then joining again full-time, I think has given me a few key skills and experiences that I think have really set me up for my post-MBA career. One of which is just dealing with ambiguity and being able to dive into any problem and find a way to a solution. During my time here, I've had a range of projects. I've worked across a number of industries, many of them for the first time, and doing projects I'm also doing for the first time. And I think that experience of constantly being able to put yourself into a situation or a problem in which you have no context, and to be able to structure and think about how you will get to the problem is a key skill that you develop through your time here at BCG. And then I think the other one is really how to work with people to get the best out of them. So thinking about how best to work with your team, whether it's internally, so managing upwards, the stakeholders, or managing down to make sure you can get to the right outcome, but also how to work with the client to co-create a solution that actually works well for them. I think that is actually a really important skill that BCG has helped me develop, and I think has really set me up for my post-MBA career.